How would you describe your knowledge of Yiddish?
It's a strange knowledge. I think, of course, it's not Mameloshan. No one used to speak to me in this language. However, my grandmother used to use the Yiddish words about which I had no idea that it's Yiddish. And this I discovered when I met my husband, and I said, yeah, I know some German words. I said, what words? And then I said to him, it's not German words.
And what words did you say?
Sitzfleisch, for example, she used to say Shiksa. I don't remember now. I must think a moment, and I tell you. I was thinking it's German, but this word, she used to mix these German words and use them in such a places which were not anymore the German words, So this is really interesting.